you're a social media influencer.
Don't say
As
influencer. I have a no. I'm not an
okay, you're a
influencer.
social media personality.
Presence. Yes, I'm a
Social media
yeah,
clout you have social media presence,
yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah.
Which also, because I literally, Natasha, I use my social media as like one journal. I used to, at least.
Exactly.
I
Even I used
used
to.
to.
That's how it started. Yeah.
That's how it started, right? My point is, I am in no way claiming or pretending that I am this person who is, please follow, मैं role model, मुझे कितना कुछ पता है. मैं हूँ flawed एक नंबर की चूतिया इंसान. मैं pretend नहीं कर रही otherwise. But now you're like, can't sit and defend with one person because then 10 will come. Then why are you fat? Why are you thin? Why you said this? Why you? And I'm like, but who are you? I have now disabled my comments. Now only people I follow can comment on my shit.
Yeah, I also don't like to get involved because this bad side of social media is A, not worth it, B, a very small part of the real world we live in. Because you go off social media for a month and you realize, fuck, nobody missed you and you didn't
Nobody
miss
missed.
anybody.
Yeah,
There's a
yeah,
whole fucking living, breathing ecosystem going on outside of your
yeah,
phone. I use it now as a marketplace to market myself.
yeah.
And I'm shameless about it. I'm like, hire me, I'm fucking good.
Which you should
And
be.
I'm here to show off my beauty, my talent, my skills, my humor, my love, my everything, good and kind. And what is the thing I feel the most strongly about is being a woman and my experience as a woman in this world and seeing the experience of women in our
Other women.
country,
Yeah.
women who don't have the privilege we do. So that shit I will always feel comfortable commenting on, talking about uh, pleasure, these wonderful things which I feel like don't get talked about enough, I will talk about them. There are a lot more better, well informed people, well researched profiles who are talking about it. Let them talk
Absolutely. I'm just like, how can you expect one person to know everything? ये
or
कैसी अजीब
comment
सी
on
बात है?
everything.
ये
Oh, you're
कैसी
not
अजीब सी
using
बात है?
your platform
Yeah,
for this. Why have you not commented? I'm like, fuck off. It's my platform. I'll do whatever
yeah,
I want.
yeah. So are you saying
Yeah.
that now social media for you is some sort of a brand building
Work.
exercise?
It's a workplace. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
my brand. Yes. And it's also a place where it is nice to connect with the fans who actually appreciate
Yeah.
your work. People who have been following me for the last 6 years. So to have
It does
that.
feel nice. Like when, like when I feel like when last year when I got on Comedy Central, then there were so many like people that you see, like, their handles because they like your stuff and all. And there was so much like, oh my God, like they're so proud of you. And I'm like, hey, stranger on the internet.
It's like you know these
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you think right now you've become a little um sort of hyper vigilant about what you say in public?
absolutely. मैं डर डर के जीती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे. तभी तो सेफ टॉपिक्स है. मैं, मेरी सुंदरता, मेरी हॉटनेस, सेक्स, औरतें, बस ये सेफ टॉपिक है which I feel passionately about and I actually enjoy talking about. तो बस मैं इतना करूँ. It's so scary. It is scary living on the internet.
Yeah.
And I have mad respect for people who do it and engage and reply and get into that. It
Exhausting.
has sent me into many a bad mental health spirals, and now I've just realized I don't need that kind of drama in my head. Okay, like my dad keeps telling me, you should do Karname on Instagram. Karname was a funny video thing I used to do way back
Yeah.
when, just like when my audience was literally my South Bombay friends.
Yeah.
And now he's like, you should do Karname. Everybody's like, you should do these funny videos and all. I'm like, no, because as soon as I put up something, there are going to be at least 3 out of 100 people who are going to say, but how you can comment like this? How you can say like this? Oh, your character is XYZ community. Are you saying we are like this?
Just come on.
I mean, he's like a cute little boy. This guy playing all Johnny Johnny. He's like a sweet little boy. But I'm scared to make content using him now because people are going to attack me for whatever stereotyping or
Misappropriating or something. They'll find a
yeah,
word.
yeah. मतलब मिल जाएगा इनको.
They'll find a word. They'll find a word. Because
Hmm.
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मैं नॉर्मल सी हूँ. मैं तो इतनी प्रॉब्लमैटिक हूँ भी नहीं. मेरे साथ क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? Because this one time I don't like birds. Again, I know maybe I'm not allowed to say this.
I hate
Hate. It's part of my stand up. And this one time I had said something where, and I used to say lots of galis on Insta story. ठीक है, जो मैंने इसलिए रोक दिया because Shrime and I had a show called Arey Yaar Bollywood, which meant उसके 50 comments were, how are you pretending to be feminists on YouTube when you say बहनचोद on Instagram? मैंने कहा ठीक है, गलत भी नहीं है, मैं
But
समझ
yes,
सकती हूँ. मैं समझ
Yes.
मैंने कहा नहीं बोलेंगे. Okay.
Yes.
Then this one time, some bird issue was happening. I was trying to shoot something. This was happening last year, right? And I wanted to make something which was like birds are whatever, birds are fucking stupid, BC. और मैंने 10 मिनट सोचा नताशा इसके बारे में कि मैं बोलूं नहीं बोलूं, that should I just not say it, like why do I have to, I was making some joke and I was like why do I have to include a bad word to be funny. So I had this big, for about 15-second story, I've had this big like should I not, and then I'm like, you know what, it's my Instagram, I posted it. फिर किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. मैंने कहा यार ये तो चमत्कार, it's great. Within 24 hours, I do get this others may one inbox where the bhenchod wasn't an issue. I got literally somebody seriously
The
told
birds,
me,
yeah.
how can you say this about birds? They are God's creation. मैंने कहा
Humans are also God's creation, but they are stupid.
Guys, come on. तो फिर मैंने कहा ये मैं, there is no winning. If you're not allowed to have an opinion on a bird that's outside your house, then ठीक है.